Hello world, this is ML and I am back with another video vlog. But this time I'll be doing a hotel review. The name of the hotel is Fairways and Bluewaters here in Boracay, Philippines. Now before I proceed, this is not a sponsored video. I paid for the hotel room with my own money. Now on to the hotel review. Okay, all right. This is your door. I don't see any evacuation exit plan here, but this is the door to go in and to go out. Here you have your bottled water, okay, tea, drinking glass, and to boil your water, okay. Now this is not complimentary because here you have your minibar price list, okay. It says here for your convenience, all right here, we will stock your refrigerator daily with a variety of refreshments, and we will charge the consumption directly to your account. Thank you. So, just a note, all right, this is not free, this is not complimentary. Don't go out here drinking these bottles, unless you want to pay, of course, unless you want to pay. To your left, you have a mini sink, okay, and on the top you have shelf space, okay, shelf space, okay. On the bottom you have your mini fridge stocked with bottled water. What's this? Water? Yeah, it is water. And your commercialized sodas and beer. Okay. On the bottom, just empty space. Here's your bathroom. We have a hot tub, and excelente, we have a standalone shower with the raindrop shower head, okay? Hair dryer, thinking this is washcloth, toilet tissue, bath soap, and your dental kit, glass, or should I say glasses, your sink, hand towel, and pretty decent size mirror. So let's see. Wow, it's pretty spacious. All right. Complimentary, I'm thinking, what is this? Your bath gel and shampoo and conditioner, Fairways and Bluewater here at Boracay. Clean, clean, clean. Okay. All right, and you have a hot tub. This is one of the highlights. Pretty cool. Shelf here where you could put whatever you want here, maybe your cell phone. Please like and comment and share this video. It will really help me a lot. And of course, subscribe. You have your ample towel here. Okay. And your toilet. And with a shelf space here. Okay. You have your trash bin. Not bad, it's a little, echo, but it's pretty cool. Now we move on to the closet. The closet, they gave us 2 complimentary bathrobes, and here goes my personal bag and my carry-on. I will leave a affiliated link where to purchase this. I have a 20-liter. You know, I like to pack light, waterproof, and it floats on water. Believe it or not. Earth pack. And on the other side, you have your safe and ample shelves here. Oh, and complimentary. Look at that. This is a complimentary. What's this? Slippers? Not bad. Look at that. I mean, it's disposable, but at least, to say the least, right? All right. All right. So it has a light, plenty of lighting here for your closet. All right. And there you go. That's the closet. It's pretty spacious. So now we're moving on to, I don't know what you call this, but maybe a living space. This looks like a office space where you have your desk, ample shelves for your paperwork. What I don't like is the chair right here. You know, it has no back where you could lay back. But anyway, I'm not here to do no office work. And you have a mid-size mirror. Page. You have your, I would say this is a dining table with, it looks like comfortable chairs here. Your chill out mini couch and another living room, I would say living room chairs, comfortable cushioned chairs with coffee table. To my left, you have your TV on a TV stand. Okay. Now, this is my view. So out there is the golf course. All right. Plenty of greens, plenty of trees. Okay. And we're gonna move on to the balcony. Okay, balcony. Only have 1 chair and a table, but you could pretty much, I think, you could pretty much bring out the other chair. All right. And this is my view. Not a lot. You got your banana tree right there. And that's about it on the balcony. Still balcony, which is good for all y'all smokers and drinkers. Y'all could chill out here. Last but not least, the beds. This is 2 queen size beds. Here it is. Boom. 2 queen size beds. Says hello. And you got, I'm thinking this is a swan. A swan figure. All right. So each bed have 2 pillows and a throw pillow. Move on to the other one. 2 pillows and a throw pillow. What's up with this? What happened? We should get one of these, one more of these over here. I'm just saying. I'm just saying, manager. I'm just saying. Nightstand. A big old nightstand with a long clock and a phone, lampshade, and something to write on. All right, I'm not even gonna open it, and we have another nightstand here. Your split type AC, and there you go. This is another angle of the beds, the two queen size beds. And there you go. That is the Fairways and Bluewater here in Boracay, Philippines. So today's date is Wednesday, November 29th, 4:09 p.m. Um, the receptionists that helped us were good to great. I would say great because she were upbeat, very informative. She didn't rush us, you know. She didn't rush us, you know. I just didn't feel rushed. And after the check-in, uh, this resort is so huge that we had another staff escort us to the room. All right. From the lobby, we basically had to take another shuttle, mini shuttle van, okay, to get to this room, Sampaguita. All right. Um, Everything is cool. Everything is great. Everything looks clean. No mildew smell. Friendly staff. Seems like a lot of foreigners comes book here in this resort, and I'm gonna go check it out. But so far, thumbs up. Okay, check-in process good. Staff are friendly, and the room itself is spacious, clean, no mildew smell, and great. If you like what I'm doing, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Any questions, leave it on a comment box. Thank you for watching. Now, once again, this is ML from KadeersTV. Hello world, bye world. Peace.